Ever wondered how you can skyrocket your YouTube channel without spending a dime? Stick around because today I'm going to reveal the ultimate strategies to promote your YouTube channel for free and get those views rolling in. But before we dive in, don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Are you tired of your YouTube videos not reaching the audience they deserve? Optimizing your channel for search engines can be a game changer. Imagine your videos popping up at the top of search results, attracting views like never before. This starts with strategic keyword placement. By incorporating relevant keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you're signaling to search algorithms what your content is about, making it more likely to appear in relevant searches. Think of keywords as the breadcrumbs that lead viewers straight to your content amidst the vast ocean of videos on YouTube. But it's not just about stuffing keywords, it's about strategic placement and natural integration. Your titles should be catchy and descriptive, giving viewers a glimpse of what they can expect. Descriptions should provide additional context and include relevant keywords without sounding forced. Tags further reinforce your content's relevance to search queries. By mastering this art of optimization, you're not just promoting your channel, you're ensuring that the right audience discovers and engages with your content, paving the way for organic growth and long-term success. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Tip number 6. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms have become powerful tools for expanding your YouTube channel's reach and engagement. Each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with audiences and promote your content in creative ways. For example, Facebook allows you to share your videos with targeted groups and communities, maximizing visibility among like-minded individuals interested in your niche. Twitter, with its quick and concise nature, is ideal for sharing snippets or teasers of your videos, enticing followers to click through and watch more. Instagram, with its visual appeal, lets you showcase behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks, and highlights from your videos, building anticipation and curiosity among your followers. TikTok, known for its viral potential, offers a platform to create engaging short-form content that can drive traffic to your YouTube channel. By leveraging these platforms strategically, you can create a social media ecosystem that complements your YouTube content, attracts new viewers, encourages shares and interactions, and ultimately boosts your channel's visibility and growth. Social media isn't just about promotion, it's about building a community, fostering relationships, and creating a buzz around your content that resonates with your target audience. Tip number 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can be a game changer in promoting your channel and expanding your reach. Partnering with creators in your niche or related niches allows you to tap into their audience base and introduce your content to a new set of viewers who are already interested in similar topics. These collaborations can take various forms, from guest appearances on each other's channels to co-creating content or even participating in collaborative projects like challenges or series. The key is to find creators whose audience aligns well with yours and whose style complements yours, creating a seamless and engaging experience for both sets of viewers. Moreover, collaborations often lead to cross-promotion, where both parties promote the collaborative content on their respective channels and social media platforms. This not only increases visibility but also fosters a sense of community and camaraderie among your viewers and the viewers of your collaborators. Collaborations can also open doors to new opportunities, such as access to new audiences, potential sponsorships, and partnerships with brands looking to reach a wider demographic. Overall, strategic collaborations can be a win-win for all parties involved, driving growth, engagement, and mutual support within the YouTube community. So guys, if you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Tip number 4. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is a crucial aspect of building a successful YouTube channel. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about fostering a meaningful connection with your viewers. Responding to comments, acknowledging feedback, and actively participating in discussions show your audience that you value their input and are committed to creating content that resonates with them. This two-way communication not only strengthens your relationship with existing viewers but also attracts new ones who appreciate the interactive and engaging nature of your channel. Furthermore, engaging with your audience goes beyond video comments. Utilize social media platforms, community tabs, and live streams to interact with your viewers in real time. Ask questions, conduct polls, and involve them in decision-making processes regarding upcoming content. By making your audience feel heard and involved, you're creating a sense of ownership and loyalty that translates into increased engagement, shares, and ultimately, organic promotion of your channel as satisfied viewers recommend your content to others. Tip number 3. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing remains a powerful tool in the digital age, and leveraging it can significantly boost your YouTube channel's visibility and engagement. Building an email list of subscribers who are genuinely interested in your content allows you to maintain direct communication with your audience outside of YouTube's platform. You can send regular newsletters, updates about new videos, exclusive behind-the-scenes content, promotions, and announcements directly to their inbox. This personalized approach not only keeps your audience informed but also fosters a deeper connection and loyalty, as subscribers feel like they're part of an exclusive community. Moreover, email marketing enables you to segment your audience based on their preferences, viewing habits, and engagement levels. This segmentation allows you to tailor your messages and content recommendations, ensuring that each subscriber receives content that is relevant and valuable to them. By consistently delivering high-quality content via email, you can drive traffic to your YouTube channel, increase views and engagement on your videos, and encourage subscribers to share your content with their networks, effectively amplifying your channel's reach and promoting it organically. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. Tip number 2. Create compelling thumbnails and titles. Your video's thumbnail and title are often the first impressions viewers have of your content, making them critical elements in promoting your YouTube channel. A compelling thumbnail that is visually appealing, relevant to the video's content, and sparks curiosity can significantly increase click-through rates. Consider using high-resolution images, bold and easy-to-read text, and eye-catching graphics or colors to grab viewers' attention as they scroll through search results or their subscription feed. The thumbnail should provide a glimpse of what viewers can expect from your video while enticing them to click and watch more. Equally important is crafting catchy and informative titles that not only describe your video accurately, but also pique viewers' interest. Use keywords strategically in your title to improve searchability and relevance. Incorporate compelling language, such as numbers, questions, or power words, to make your title stand out and compel viewers to click. Avoid clickbait tactics that mislead viewers, as this can lead to negative feedback and decreased trust. By mastering the art of creating compelling thumbnails and titles, you increase the likelihood of your videos being discovered, clicked on, and shared, ultimately driving traffic and engagement to your YouTube channel. Tip number 1. Optimizing your video content. Optimizing your video content is crucial for promoting your YouTube channel and attracting viewers. Start by ensuring that your videos are of high quality, both in terms of production value and content. Invest in good equipment, lighting, and sound to create visually appealing and professional-looking videos that captivate your audience. Additionally, focus on delivering valuable and engaging content that addresses your viewers' interests, questions, or pain points. Whether it's educational, entertaining, or inspiring, make sure your content provides value and keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Encourage engagement within your videos by prompting viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Include clear calls to action throughout your video, such as asking viewers to like if they enjoyed the content, comment with their thoughts or questions, share the video with their friends, and subscribe for more similar content. Engaging with your audience in this way not only boosts video engagement metrics, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your content is valuable and worthy of promotion. By optimizing both the quality and engagement of your video content, you set the stage for increased visibility, reach, and growth for your YouTube channel.